Not long ago, building a website meant hiring a developer, spending thousands and waiting for months. But AI has completely changed the game. Today, you can build a stunning website in less than an hour. And probably you don't even have to hire a developer for small projects. So in this video, we are going to showcase 5 best AI website builders that you can consider to build your business website or your client project if you're a freelancer or an agency. So if that sounds interesting, then let's dive in. Starting off at number 1 is Framer. If you are serious about creating a professional, high-performance website without coding, Framer is hands down the best AI website builder in 2026. It's not just a builder, it's a full design powerhouse that uses AI to turn your idea into pixel-perfect sites at lightning fast speed. And here is why Framer crushes the competition. Its AI generates responsive layouts, custom animations, and even interactive elements based on simple text prompts. Just describe what you want to build and Framer AI build a fully customizable canvas in seconds. Now, if all this already looking magic to you, then let me show you a quick demo. Alright, so to begin with, let's hop on to framer.com. The link is given in the video description below and you will land up on this page. And from here, you can go ahead and click on sign up to create your free account. So I'm just going to log in my account. And this is how your workspace or your native dashboard will look like. And from here, we can click on new project to start building our fresh website. So let's click on this. But along with that, you can also browse the templates that Framer has to offer. So if you don't want to start from scratch and you want to use some amazing looking templates that Framer has to offer, then you can browse them all from here and then duplicate that in your workspace. But for now, we are going to start from scratch. So let's go ahead and click on fresh new project. So once again, it shows you this pop-up where you can select all the templates, but we are going to close this. And this is how our main canvas will look like. And this is your desktop view. Right now it got white background. And if we click on this, we can go on to the right hand side control panel and change the background color to black. Because I personally prefer black, so I'll keep it that way. Once that is done, you can also add breakpoints. So let's open this and have a tablet as well as a phone view on our canvas. So with that, you will be able to see all the progress in all the 3 breakpoints. Now let's click on our desktop frame. And from here, in order to start designing our website, we need to click on this insert option here on the top. And then click on Wireframer. And now we can just type in simple prompts like create a link in bio page for an AI filmmaker named Ankit Sharma. So with that, let's go ahead and click on this button. So it's going to start thinking process and it's going to start designing our website on this frame. And again, you can see all the progress in the 3 breakpoints that we have. So it's going to take a few seconds and boom. It already laid out the wireframe structure of our website and it looks pretty damn clean. So we have this image, we have our social media handle and maybe this can be replaced by a name and we have the social links. And for our mobile view, if you want to move this particular section, so you can just click on that and move the arrow key, it will start moving up. And with that, we can now go ahead and customize all the links, icons, colors, using the right hand side panel, which is pretty straightforward and we cannot cover that in this video because this is going to make it very long. But if you want me to create a dedicated video about Framer, how you can build your entire website from scratch, do let me know in the comment section below and I would love to create that entire masterclass. Now here's the best part about Framer, that it's not just an AI website builder, it also gives you full control that you can add elements, edit all the things using this right hand side panel. And even after you generate your layout, you can add elements or sections using AI. If you visit this link, framer.com/workshop, you will be able to see what elements you can generate using AI on your Framer website. So it's pretty cool, all these effects that you can add. For example, you can add this mouse trail or maybe you want to add this glowing effect on your website. All you need to do is just click on this icon here, copy the prompt and then come back to your website. So let's say I'm on my desktop view and in order to add that prompt, we are going to click on this icon here at the bottom and then click on Workshop, and it's going to open up this panel here on our canvas, and we just need to enter the prompt that we have just copied and hit enter, and it's going to work in the back end. The AI is going to start its magic, and within just a few seconds we will have our output ready. So there you have it. You can now go ahead and place this element on anywhere on your website. So you can just move it on the canvas and drop it at the desired place. So this is how you can use AI to build your website in SiteFramer and add different components, again using AI. Next in our list is Hostinger AI Website Builder. Now Hostinger is basically a website hosting company, but they also offer their AI-powered website builder. Their AI builds a complete site from your business description, which is a good option for small businesses and for quick launches. It's a beginner friendly, but design options are pretty limited. Next in our list is ZipWP. Now if you use WordPress, then ZipWP is your best AI companion. You just enter your business detail, it gives you few templates to choose from, and then it generates the full WordPress site, which is again ideal for if you are in no-code WordPress world. But with that, you need to keep in mind that you also need to take care of your website hosting, which ZipWP also provide. Next in our list is Wix, which is one of the most well-known AI website builder, and it's designed to help beginners launch a website quickly without needing any coding skills. Its AI can generate layout, content sections, and basic design elements based on few prompts. While it's convenient for quickly getting a site online, Wix can feel somewhat restrictive when it comes to deeper customization, advanced animations, and precise design control, which may limit creators who want more flexibility in building modern, highly customizable websites. Next in our list is Durable, which focuses heavy on speed and simplicity, and it allows users to generate a complete website in just a few seconds using their AI system. It's especially popular for small businesses that need a quick online presence without spending time designing from scratch. However, because it prioritizes automation and its simplicity, the level of design control and customization can feel limiting, which makes it less ideal for creators who want detailed control over layout, branding, and more advanced website design features. So there you have it, our top 5 pick for best AI website builder for 2026. If you have any suggestions or any feedback about any of these AI website builder, then feel free to comment down in the video description below. That's it for this one, and I'll see you in the next video.